Hi, hey, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be talking about cultural appropriation and ignorance inside the K-pop community, talking about the fans' ignorance and also the idols' ignorance. So if you want to keep on learning, you want to know how I feel about it, then you just keep on watching. Okay, so my last video when I was talking about groups that I stan and groups that I planned on standing, I mentioned Kai from EXO and how he was almost my bias. But then in Kpop, the music video, I saw that he had in dreadlocks, and it was cultural appropriation, as it's not from his culture. Cultural appropriation is like defined as someone from like a different culture using someone else's culture for their benefit. So it's a difference between cultural appropriation and cultural appreciation. See, he could appreciate the culture without appropriating it, but instead what he did was appropriate the culture, and that was not cool. He did not look good. And it's most definitely not even for his hair texture, his hair type. Like, it's mainly for like black hair, like kinky hair that curl up very fast. And when this white hair that curl up, so it's not really for his hair. So that's why I didn't like. But like when I see him without it, I like him. He's not my bias, of course, because I'm loyal to D.O. But when I see him without it, I'm happy that he doesn't have it, and because I just don't think that it's for him, and it's not for him. Also, they're not even just Kai that appropriated out. Also, different K-pop idols that appropriated. For example, back in the day, Namjoon, RM from BTS, he appropriated the culture. Every K-pop idol wants some dreadlocks. I swear to God, they all want some dreadlocks. Like, why? Like, I don't know if they think it's hip hop, whatever, but like it's not. They don't define hip hop. It's a hairstyle that's not meant for their hair, and that they appropriate on a regular basis. And I don't think that they should be praised for it. Like, if a fan see them with that, they should tell them that is appropriation. It is not good. Instead of trying to support them and being ignorant. Some fans be ignorant, talk about it's just a hairstyle. You can't own a hairstyle. Okay, like, you can't own a hairstyle, but at the same time, that's not for them. Like, black people and people who wear dreadlocks, whose hair is for, they get like bullied for it because people say it's dirty and stuff like that. But like when somebody else, like a celebrity or something, oh, they getting praised for taking over people's culture. That's something. That's one thing in the K-pop community about cultural appropriation that I do not like. So another thing that I don't like in the K-pop community with cultural appropriation and stuff is blackface. Like in Korea, most of the people are pale. Well, they want them to be pale, but they have like a yellow skin tone, so they want to be paler because I guess they see white as better. And they always find some way to like do blackface. Like, I saw a comment on this girl YouTube video. It's like, it's funny how Korea has very little makeup products for black people, but they always find a way to find makeup when they want to do blackface. And that was the tea. That was the tea, girl. I would just say that is so true because I noticed it. They have a lot of like makeup for like majority of like paler skin tone down there. And I understand, like, mostly in Korea is mainly people who are paler and not like dark like me. But still, what if someone go down there and they want to buy makeup and stuff like that? Like, I feel like they should just open it all up. Like, here in America, we have different shade ranges, like Fenty Beauty, for example, has 40 different shade ranges, 40 shade ranges of foundation, from lightest to darkest. So I feel like they should expand. The Korean company should expand, but maybe they just don't want to, because like majority of people in Korea have lighter skin and aren't dark. They don't have that much melanin in them. So I guess that is a problem. The blackface is a problem. Like, it's not cool. That's racist, okay? And people who try to defend their idols, like, it's okay if you're a fan of them, but you need to be able to point out their wrongs. Like, if your idol do something wrong, point it out. Tell them about it. For example, when J-Hope, when BTS first came out with the Love Yourself Her album, and they was doing that little, what's it called, comeback dances, songs and stuff, and they did mic drop, and J-Hope was appropriating culture. Fans would call him out about it because, like, it's not okay. That's not good. So if you're a K-pop fan and your idol does something like that, make sure you call them out about it and tell them why it's not good. Like, cause don't let them be ignorant, cause then you're just gonna be ignorant following ignorant. Like, the blind can't lead the blind. Like, if you're following them after they're being ignorant, that shows you're ignorant also. And ignorant in a sense, I'm using like lacking knowledge. Like, they're lacking knowledge about the hairstyle, about blackface. Teach them about it, okay? Okay, so now I'm just gonna go on back to ignorance. I don't know if you guys know this, but Wendy from Red Velvet, the girl group, it was like some while ago, probably like two or 3 weeks ago maybe. But in the interview, she was impersonating a black woman. And I'll post a video and some screenshots of me arguing with some people in the comments about it. But like, basically, I'm just talking my thoughts about it right now. Like, she does something like a black girl is like, she didn't say it in English, of course she said it in Korean, but it's like girl, girl, stuff like that. Like, that's not realistic. Like, I am a black girl. I definitely don't do like like, who, you never really see black women, black girls wave their finger like this when something's not right. Like girl. Like, no, we don't do that. We like the hand out, like clapping. Not no, like, that's a stereotype, and she's spreading stereotypes. So I ended up reading the comment section, a lot of ignorant fans again talk about, oh, it's supposed to be a joke, all this. Like, no, that's not a joke, because she's spreading stereotype. Like, not all black people act like that. And majority of them don't even act like that. All black women, majority of black women don't act like that. Who, girl, like, no. That's just unrealistic. There are people who don't see that on a regular basis. Me, I never saw a black girl do like who, like, wave their finger like this. And then, like, what makes me upset is, like, this isn't the first time she imitated a black person. I don't have the original video, the first video before, so it was some years ago, a while ago. But like, this is not her first time, and she knows it's ignorant, and this is ignorant, and her fans are just letting her slide, and I don't like that. So I don't stand Red Velvet, because I just don't like their music that much. Like, I like Bad Boy and I like Peekaboo, but I'm not listening to the album. And also, Wendy's voice kind of annoy me, like in Peekaboo when she do hello, yeah, that thing, hello, that part, it annoys me. I don't like that. And for her to be the person in Red Velvet where she can speak English, and she doesn't know about that, like, nobody told her that that's wrong, that's really upsets me. And like, the fans should really be telling them, and like, not even just trying to blame it all on the fans, because like, they just need to learn stuff on their own too. But like, I do think the fans who, like, it's not even a big deal, stuff like that, they're the ones that really encourage them to keep on doing it. And cause like, they will see somebody that call them out on it as a hater when they're really trying to inform them about it. Like, say if somebody said, like, for example, this is not even K-pop, but Perry from Little Mix, when she does her cultural appropriation, people call her out on it, she see it as hate comments. Like, no, you're appropriating a culture. You don't understand that. Like, you're appropriating the culture. And Perry stands, she has more stands than everybody else in the group, I'm pretty sure. Like, cause she's just way more popular than them. But still, the fans just let her slide, her stands. Like, they need to let her know it's not okay. These aren't hate comments. These are comments trying to inform you because you're being ignorant.
He's so hot. 약간 이렇게 하는 게 되게
가십걸 같았어 방금.
네. 그거 약간 백인 분들이 약간 그렇게 하고 잘 나가는 이제 흑인 언니 분들이라고 하시면은 Girl, what did you say, girl? No, you ain't doing that. 약간 이렇게. 많이 표정도 막 이렇게 하고 몸을 좀 많이 쓰시면서 하시고.
이거 엄청 좋아하잖아. Wake up!
아 맞아요.
Wake up!
영화에서 본 것 같아요.
What you say, girl? 아니야.
Okay, now I want to talk about K-pop idols saying the N-word. Yeah, unless they have black, you can't say it. Unless you mix with black, have black, you can't say it. That goes for white people. That goes for Hispanics. Like, if you are not black, if you aren't half black, you cannot say it, okay? It's not that hard to interpret. It's not that hard to understand. If you are not black, if you are not half black, you cannot say the N-word, okay? Is Gucci? We Gucci? Okay? Because there are a lot of Hispanics out there that say it and they think they could get away with it. Like, yeah, you're a minority also, but it wasn't used against you guys in a negative connotation. We try to use it in a positive way now. But people still want to use it. Like, it's not that hard to not say. Especially, like, I saw a meme, it was like, if I can go through a whole trap song without, like, dodging every cuss word around my mother, then you could go your life without saying the N-word. And that's true. Because, like, what are you going to get from saying that? Like, everybody want to be black, but nobody want to be black. See, that's the thing. They think hip-hop, you gotta be cussing, saying the N-word, get dreadlocks. Like, no, that's not hip-hop. You just gotta know how to rap real good, flow real good, write your lyrics nice. You gotta know how to do that stuff. Not just put on the front, get some gold teeth, get some grills in your mouth. Like, no, that's not it. So this is the end of the video. This was like a mini little rant. I just wanted to educate you guys on how I feel about it. Also, GOT7 came back with Look. I love the choreography when they did a little thing. I can't do it, but yeah, you know what I'm talking about if you saw the video. I love the choreography. NCT 127 came back with Touch. I don't think I like it that much, but I love that intro song to the album, Neo Culture. I don't even know how to go, but it's hard. I might put it at the end. It's hard. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. And turn on that bell notification, like right here maybe, one of these faces, so you can get a notification every time I upload a video. The next video I'm doing is definitely gonna be I try following Rachel Cantu's makeup tutorial. So.
Neo got my back, culture things, take on my mind. Neo got my back, culture things.